Meaning of gym shoe.
Gym shoe.
Gym shoe.
Gym shoe.
Gym shoe. The term gym shoe typically refers to a type of athletic footwear designed for use in indoor sports or fitness activities. These shoes often feature specialized soles that provide traction and support on gym floors, as well as durable construction to withstand repeated wear and tear. Gym shoes may also be more lightweight and breathable than other types of athletic shoes, helping to keep the feet cool and comfortable during intense workouts. Overall, the term gym shoe can be used to describe a variety of athletic footwear styles that are specifically designed for use in fitness and training environments.